Alright, so this is the fourth video in this set. In the series we started off with installing the Android Studio, and then we messed with our first app, and then we got our first app to run on an AVD device. Well, this video here is going to show us how to prepare to run an app on the Android device. So here we go. First thing you can do is find your settings, and once you click on settings, you can go ahead and take a look at the About, and then if you go to the build number and you tap on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, your developer mode has been turned on. That's all it takes to do that. And our next video, we'll go ahead and we'll actually run a program from our Android Studio, which will actually be installed on our phone, as you'll see. And this screen that you're seeing, by the way, this is my phone. I'm just using a program to project it on the screen. So we'll see you in the next video, and we'll run the program there.